Hey YouTube scrappers, out in the yard again. Just got up from my almost daily afternoon nap because I've been awake too long. So this is an old Simpson sears made by Sanyo, a microwave. Household microwave oven. Model number, it was Simpson sears in Montreal, Quebec. So just by saying that, any of my fellow Canadians would know that that's up there in age. I want this end. Another beautiful day out. The last couple days has been really windy. I think we have someone in the area going around setting fires, I think. Hopefully no one sets any grass fires. Just make sure everyone keeps their prayers going for Alberta that they get rain. So this is heavy old girl, so I'll take these ones out. Too big. Yeah, this one here. Gonna be a nut hook to the other end. See what kind of weird equipment this is. Big fertilizer and lime spreader. He takes up the whole road. Hate to meet him on a blind turn. Yikes. All right. There goes another farm truck, a tandem. Boys are going right crazy, planting corn and I think the fields that they around us, there's 2 fields here, one over there and one up here. They're either grain or corn that they planted in. If it's corn, we should have lots of raccoons and bears this fall. That's alright. Maybe my neighbors will hunt some bear. None of you have had bear. It's good. It's good eating. I'll have to check my woods down here for fiddleheads here soon to see if they're growing. I don't know if you all know what fiddleheads are. It's basically a fern. When they're first coming out of the ground, they come up and they actually look like a fiddle's, the end of a fiddle. That's why they call them fiddleheads. They're good eating. And they're free. You just gotta pick them. Funny thing with fiddleheads, you don't cook them enough, and they can be poisonous and make you sick. I like getting microwaves just for the fact that I have a body to put shred in. Well, I'm hoping my trailer comes this weekend that I can fill up the shred, because I'm getting a little overrun. And some of you are probably saying, overrun? No, not at all. You still got room for more. Yeah, I got room for more, but since I found one like this, it's got meant to show you this. So can't tell if that's copper. That looks aluminum to me. I'll have to see what this big old brute is. Little motor there, low grade board, little transformer. Not sure what else is hidden underneath there. That'd be for the timer and everything. And then she was quite a Kenmore. I guess it was made by Simpson Sears, but it was a Kenmore. It was more like an oven instead of a microwave. You could do poultry parts, meatloaf. She was swanky. See what we got in here. That looks like that's copper. I think that top one's aluminum, but that bottom one's copper. One of the two is not bad. Take that apart later. Longer one. I'm gonna have to get a nut driver on this. Too small. amazing once you take that transformer out how much lighter these things get. Second, let me get situated here and I'll be right back. There. I got that out. Now, anything else worth taking? I don't think so. You know, that was, oh. The cord. And there's that old microwave. So if you guys like what you saw, like, subscribe, share. Hopefully some year I'll be able to get to 1,000 subscribers, just to say that I've been there. I'm almost at 400. Thank all you guys for all your subscriptions, your comments, your thoughts and prayers, and it's awesome. Yeah, the mountain grows. Got 2 more microwaves. I might come back in and do another video on the other microwave. I think that's older than this one. I think. I don't know. Anyway, had to put the chickens in just a little while ago. I don't see them anymore. There's 4 or 5 turkey vultures hovering over. So, oh, and I just got new internet. I got Starlink. I got the satellite beaming down in my house now. Anyway, just out here getting some vitamin D. Gotta love the sun. I think they're saying by Friday it's supposed to be 24 degrees Celsius. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the heat. If it's like last year, we went from spring to 45 and 50 degrees Celsius temperatures. We were scorching here, so yeah. I like cold. I don't like heat. Anyway, enough rambling. I'll let you guys go, and thanks for watching. Remember again to like, subscribe, share, And leave a comment down below. I like hearing from you guys. What's going on in your neck of the woods? Alright. Take care, everybody, and God bless.